9 White Lilac Way offers the kind of space and flexibility that makes everyday living easy. Set in Colchester's sought-after Carriage Hill neighborhood, this sun-filled townhome combines generous living areas, thoughtful updates, and a location that keeps Burlington, Winooski, shopping, dining, and I-89 all close at hand. Hardwood floors and oversized windows create a warm, welcoming feel in the main living room, while the cozy gas stove adds comfort through Vermont's changing seasons. The dining area flows naturally from the living space, creating an easy setup for both everyday meals and entertaining. Just beyond, the insulated sunroom becomes one of the home's standout features, bright, peaceful, and opening directly onto the private backyard deck for effortless indoor-outdoor living. The kitchen offers abundant cabinetry, great prep space, and a bright, functional layout designed for both busy mornings and relaxed weekends at home. The first-floor den adds valuable flexibility, ideal for a home office, reading room, creative studio, or quiet retreat. Upstairs, the layout feels comfortable and functional, connecting 3 well-sized bedrooms and full bath spaces. The front bedroom is filled with natural light and offers flexible space for guests, family, or remote work. The primary suite offers a spacious retreat with large windows, generous closet space, and room to comfortably unwind at the end of the day. An ensuite bath adds convenience and privacy to the primary bedroom. A third bedroom provides even more flexibility for guests, hobbies, or additional workspace. Bright, spacious, and move-in ready, 9 White Lilac Way delivers low-maintenance living in one of Colchester's most convenient locations.